Hey there traders, welcome back for episode 43 from the stockbandit.tv. I hope that your week is off to a good start. Alright, so just in case you haven't noticed, tomorrow is March 31st. That means it's the last day of the first quarter of the year. And on financial TV and among many other traders, you're going to hear people refer to the term window dressing. And that's going to be something that people discuss, and it's something that institutions do at the end of the quarter to kind of help their portfolios look a little bit better. They may dump underperforming stocks. They may add stocks that have been performing well and kind of make things look a little bit better. But the truth of the matter is that, you know, with only one day left in the quarter, most of that has already been done by now. And so in all likelihood, we're not going to see a whole lot of that tomorrow. There may be a little bit of crazy price action out there, but it may not characterize the entire day. So instead, for this episode, let's talk about something that pertains more to the here and now, and also something that's going to actually impact your trading account in the months to come, which is goals. Now, as the first quarter winds down, you know, it's a great time to do a little bit of progress check and kind of see where you stand. And I hope that for you, your equity line looks more like this than this as we take a look at the first quarter of the year. And really, the most obvious place that people are going to look is in their trading account, and they're going to compare their current balance to their starting balance at the beginning of the year. And that's definitely one thing to check. And don't let me lead you to believe that anything else is more important than that, because that certainly is the bottom line, and that is what counts the most. But there are more things to check than just that. What about those goals that you set back at the beginning of the year? You know, have you followed your plan of action to the degree that you set out to? What about your daily process and the homework that you committed to doing? Have you followed through with that? This is a good time to check up and determine whether or not you are. There is no substitute for setting goals of various types, so don't overlook them. Be sure to set some performance-related goals. So I'm going to call this PERF, because that's going to be your bottom line, and those certainly can make you strive to achieve some big things and a lot of exciting things in your trading account. But along the way, there are also some process-related goals. So I'm going to call those PRO, because that's what's going to help those performance goals actually become a reality. You know, your process is going to include everything that's necessary for good trading, from working through those watch lists every night to setting the appropriate alerts that you're going to need each day. It's going to involve maintaining your discipline and even doing some trading related reading in order to help keep your mind sharp. So I hope that you're on track, or that you're even ahead of schedule as we round turn 1 of 2009. And here is to an excellent Q2 for you. As always, thanks for joining me in this episode. I will be back soon with more videos, but in the meantime, trade like a bandit.